Hello, I'm Dee from Nevada Money Mentors, and today we're going to be telling you guys how to schedule an appointment on our website. So first, you're going to visit our website at unr.edu/Nevada Money Mentors. Once you appear at our website, there's going to be 4 tabs: About Us, Meet a Money Mentor, Schedule an Appointment, and Personal Finance Tools. All of these tabs have helpful information, and feel free to explore them. But for now, click on the Schedule an Appointment tab. Next, you're going to click Schedule a Financial Coaching Appointment. If this is your first time meeting with a money mentor, you're going to click Financial Checkup to get started. The Coaching Continued tab is for ongoing participants, and your financial coach will help you with this. Next, you're going to select a money mentor. Choose a date and time that works best for you. Our office is open from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Monday through Friday. Fill out the following page with your full name and email. All of this information is confidential, so answer the following questions honestly and accurately. These questions are to help your money mentor understand more about you. Click the 3 boxes below to accept the financial coaching agreement. Last but not least, you'll receive a confirmation email shortly. And that's it! So go schedule an appointment with us today. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to us at nevadamoneymentors@unr.edu. Thanks, and have a great day.